Good morning fam, mko aje, mko salama? Yeah, for me alhamdulillah niko salama. I have just woken up. Um, Today my schedule is very tight and I wanted to drop a video on Sunday but I couldn't. I was too occupied. Yani, the past 1 week I've been too busy that you know just held up. So for now, since I have to upload a video, I have to try and make something. So I've thought tidy my bed, my bedroom, then I have to rush somewhere. After I come back, that's when I'm going to do. I have to make breakfast. I have to, I have to make breakfast. I have to go down to the shop to buy milk, whatever. Then I come back, make breakfast, eat breakfast, shower, go out again. I have to go out with my cousin. I want to buy some things, so I'll have to take her there. And yeah, then we come back. After coming back, that's when, if I'll not be tired, I'll decide whether to do my laundry. Today I'm just going to change the bed sheets, clean the space, then laundry maybe for tomorrow. So acheni tuone. So guys, we're going to start the work from my cleaning from the bedroom. Okay, for me, I don't know, but I love starting cleaning from the bedroom. The first thing I'll do today is open the window. After opening the window, we start spreading the bed. Afterwards, yeah, let's see. And one thing about me, guys, I just love spreading my beds. Yani okay, I don't know how to say it. I don't love to see the wrinkles on my bed sheet or what. I just love my bed sheets to look neat. Unaona, yani kimenyooka kitando yani it's so smart. Hapo nikitandika na feeling like okay. So while I was making my bed, I realized one of our persons, one of our neighbor was on my window. So she was hanging her clothes and yeah, we started talking. Tukaanza tu mosheni mbili tatu hapo, good morning, mkaje nini. Haya, sawa. Ya, tukaendelea sasa na kutandika na kutengeza kitanda. Aya, sasa mimi huyo nikaenda natandika kitanda, nikamaliza. Okay, tips. Ukitaka kitanda chako kinyooke, the first bed sheet yenye utakuwa umeiweka, ile bed cover ile ya kucover mattress, make sure hiyo kitu iko straight. Make sure the sheet is straight. Haina wrinkles or whatever. So the top layer ya hiyo bed sheet, it will come out very neat. Haitakuwa pia na wrinkles. So yeah, as you can see, mimi huyo hakuna mama mzuri kama mama nyumbani. Kujichocha nayo. Haya, mimi huyo faster. Jamani, nimeng'ang'ana and sasa ni kwa ile part. I hate this part. I really hate this part. Changing pillowcases. Oh my god. Hii part inanisumbua. One thing is that I have to struggle somehow. Kwa sababu I don't know kama ni mimi peke yangu wana struggle kuvalisha pillowcases. I don't know. So yeah, the first alhamdulillah it's done. Ha. As a pro. Yeah, the second one faster. Nimejaribu pia. Ndo hiyo. I really do have to struggle na pillowcase. I do that. I don't know why. I have tried so much. Sijuagi ni kwa nini, but anyways, zimetoka. So ni kuchukua zile nguo tumetoa, kukunja zile nguo safi, kila nguo iende mahali yake. And yeah, then haya, sijui kama kuna mtu mwingine akona weakness mimi napenda yani kila kitu nikifanya ikiwa perfect. So kuna nguo zenye nilikuwa nimehang huko juu ya mlango kabla, cause the past 1 week nimewambia, the whole of last week I've been busy. So nilikuwa nimefua nikaanua nguo, then na sikuwagi hivyo lakini, but nilikuwa nimechoka excess, so I had to hang the jeans zenye zilikuwa zijakauka juu ya mlango. Sasa ndio nilikuwa nazikunja nikiziweka. Now to fold my blanket. Nairobi kuna baridi. In Nairobi there is too much cold. So yeah, after folding the blanket to the cupboard. So mimi huyo faster nikaenda ngachukua kufagia haraka haraka. Kufagia haraka haraka hivyo, kafagia mwenzenu. Make sure nimemaliza kufagia huko side za bedroom bado sako nje. Okay. Sasa hapo ni kwa corridor, nikawasha taa. Nikakumbuka sijaonyesha vile bedroom inakaa kwa sasa. Mimi huyo nikarudi niwaonyeshe bedroom. Haya wapenzi, tada! Now this is my bedroom. Ikiwa imeng'arishwa. Okay. Tayari tushaosha nini, tushafagia, tushaosha. So nishamalizana na bedroom. The bedroom now it's clean. Unaona? So this is how my bedroom looks like. Yeah, kakitanda tu kasimple. It's a humble beginning. Ni humble beginning, ndio tunaanza life. Yeah, so ndo hapo sasa. Haya, mimi huyo nishamaliza kuosha bedroom, so I'm on sitting room sasa. Okay, my sitting room is not that dirty. Yesterday I was so tired, so I had left sweater and handbags and shoes just where I removed them. Okay, so now it's time to take them to the bedroom. Ta-da! Now I have to tidy up the chairs kidogo. Yani sisi wa Kenya, I don't know, hata kama kiti hakina vumbi lazima inaitwa a must ukungute. Yani I don't know tunakuaga tunasafisha nini. Alafu mtu wenyu ni mfupi, so I had to climb on the chair for me to open the curtains. Hiyo ndio shida niko nayo. Yeah, so quick. Ndo huyo mwenyewe ashamaliza stero kidogo. Nishamaliza. Haya, after kumaliza hapo tufagie carpet. After cleaning the carpet, okay, the carpet, it's not cleaning, it's just brushing. I'm brushing the carpet down, dusting up the radio, and quick. That's how I do. That's my prayer mat. I always leave it there at the sitting room, so that if somebody comes to my house and feel like I should bless this lady, anafungua tu mswala na anaswali. That's a blessing. Actually, it's a blessing when somebody prays in your house. So be generous enough. Acha mswala sitting room. Mtu akija unamtandulia kwambia nataka kusali, you just handle, unampea mswala na swali. So yeah, my prayer mat is always on my sitting room. Inaitwa sitting room. Yeah, yuko huko. Jamani, kizungu ilikuja na wazungu. Ilikuja na meli. Haya, I'm even trying my best. Kuna watoto akiulizwa kama mimi najua kizungu atasema no, kwa sababu yeah, I don't know. After kumaliza nishamaliza. Welcome to my kitchen, and yeah, this is my kitchen. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I know yesterday when I was making dinner or supper, there were some leftovers which I'm going to take them with tea today morning, because I don't know if I'll have lunch today in this house. And yeah, so guys, The kitchen, I had already cleaned my plates yesterday, so the counter it's clean. It's only that I have to brush down and throw the dustbin. Then I go out and come back to make breakfast. So my people, I hope I'm going to stop over here. I have to go in there, get a shower, do everything, then I go out to buy things for breakfast and make my breakfast there. So this is how my house looks like when you first enter the door. This is the entrance door. So the first thing you enter and see, there are my chairs. This is my sitting room, and yeah, this is how I have started my life. Okay, this is how it looks like. Actually, this is the first house that I can happily and humbly say and be proud of it, because it's my own house, my own. Yani, I pay the rent, I do everything. This is where I've started. Inshallah, I believe God will take me to places. This is just the start. Okay, after a sitting room, you come this way. This is now the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Okay, this cabinet, it's too small, so I had to squeeze my things. And also my plates, they are up there, spoons, water. Don't mind about the medicine bottle. Okay, and then my cups, the glasses are behind the cups. Here I put foods, and here I put foodstuffs, these two. And here it's where I put my tomato, potato, onions down there. Also, since I don't have much space up there, some foodstuffs, I've placed them down here. Okay, I didn't have place to place my machines or whatever, so they are just down there. Then yeah, this is where I cook. I don't have much to show you guys, so this is how my house looks like. This I made dinner yesterday, and yeah, this is how it looks. Oh my god. Yeah, this is how my house looks like. So guys, when you come out from the kitchen, this is the corridor. It will take you to the bathroom and the bedroom. So this is the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. It's the bathroom for a one-bedroom house. Yeah, it's not that big, though the owner hasn't finished. He's installing for us the hot showers. So yeah, this is how the bathroom looks like. Okay, from there now you enter the bedroom. You enter the bedroom. Voila. And that's how the video ends.